good YT YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. And it is Friday evening. I'm about to train. Been at work all day, a little bit tired, but you've got to get it done still. It's been quite a tough week. But today I'm going to go through a nice juicy back session for you guys, show you a few different exercises just to help with the overall shape and sort of just isolate more back muscles and correct form. And like I say, yeah, just a couple of more unknown or unusual back exercises, just so you can switch things up a bit, keep it a bit more interesting as well. So I hope this helps, and I will catch you in the gym in a couple of seconds. So guys, we are in the gym and we're going to start off with something, like I said, a little bit different. Be doing some gorilla rows. I find that these are actually a little bit better, more efficient with kettlebells rather than dumbbells, because dumbbells are a little bit long. With these, you want to be twisting as you come up with a handle, and that makes it really efficient doing it with the kettlebell. So we want to be in sumo position, so wide legged. We're going to do one at a time, and because we're sumo position, we're going to be looking after our back posture and reduce back strain as well. So do one at a time. And you want to be making sure your back is nice and level, but obviously you're going to be in like a row position. So your back is straight, but at an angle. You don't want to be slouching over like this or like that, nice and straight. So got a fantastic one for you here, guys. So this is a single arm bench lat pull down. So we're going to obviously be doing a single arm. We're going to be sticking a bench by the multi-gym. You want it to be about 2 or 3 feet away from the multi-gym, and you want it to be square in the center, because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pulling these cables from the top, obviously down, but we want to be pulling a little bit to the side, so a little bit into our bodies as well, and that is really going to cause huge isolation to your lats that way. So let's do 3 sets, 12 reps. And the bench here is going to keep us nicely in space as well. In place, sorry. I feel in space, got a bit of a head rush. No, really engage for all that movement. And like I say, feel free to put a little twist in as well, just to help with that engagement a bit more. So with that done, we're going to move on to some face pulls, guys. So with this, you probably want to be using a rope with a hammer grip, or you can use a bear grip as well, whatever you feel comfortable with. But try with a hammer grip. That'll help the best. So we're going to be targeting our traps, our rear delts with this. It's going to help with shoulder health. It's going to help with posture greatly as well. So let's do 3 sets of this, 12 reps. With these, I also recommend when you're pulling back, you want to be about forehead height as well. And try and hold that squeeze for 1 to 2 seconds, nice and steady. Right, and now guys, we're going to do a chest supported dumbbell row. So we're going to be using obviously our dumbbells for this, and this is going to help with momentum, and it's going to help with engagement of the back muscle as well. So you're not going to be rocking backwards too much with this. You're really going to be fixed in space with this. So this is kind of, if you'd like to see it like a T-bar row, but with dumbbells. So if somebody's using a T-bar row and nothing else is free, you can jump on your bench and you can do this with dumbbells, and it's just as effective. And I find an ideal spot for the bench is about 50 to 60% incline on this as well, just to help with a row. You want to be going quite a low row here, so more to your mid lower back on this one as well. Now guys, we are going to do a lat pull-in. So we're going to be going double on this. So we're going to be using the multi-gym again, the D handles, and we're going to be kneeling down pretty close, right in center. And we're simply going to be coming in to the side of our lats. This one is big on muscle contraction and muscle focus as well. So if you want to be getting used to mind to muscle connection, this is a great exercise to learn it with. So there you have it guys, that was a nice little back workout for you with a few different exercises and some that aren't known as well, I suppose. And for all of these, I'd recommend doing roughly 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps, or if you want to be getting a few higher reps than this, that's exactly what we're going for. So we've dropped the weight a little bit, we're doing more volume, more reps, just to get the shape going a little bit nicer for your lats and your back. But most of these were focused a lot on lat work there, and you do really feel it. So I hope you give them a try. Let me know how you get on in the comments, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I will catch you next week.